Unraveling the phrase, taking home the gold. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning journey. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, focusing on the expression, taking home the gold. This phrase is not just about winning, but it embodies the spirit of excellence and ultimate achievement. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Taking home the gold is a phrase steeped in victory and success. It refers to winning the highest honor in a competition, particularly in sports. When someone takes home the gold, they haven't just won, they've outperformed all their competitors to achieve the top award, often a gold medal. This expression is a metaphor for achieving the best possible outcome in any situation, not limited to sports. The origins of taking home the gold can be traced back to the Olympic Games, where gold medals represent the pinnacle of athletic achievement. Gold, as a precious metal, symbolizes wealth, success, and high standing, making it the perfect metaphor for winning. Over time, the phrase has transcended its literal sports context to be used in various scenarios, from personal achievements to business successes. Using taking home the gold in conversation or writing adds a layer of excitement and importance to the achievement being discussed. Here are a few examples. In personal achievements, after years of hard work and dedication, she's finally taking home the gold in her academic career. In business and work, our team worked tirelessly on the project, and finally, we're taking home the gold with this contract. In casual conversation, you won the bake-off? Wow, you're really taking home the gold. This phrase is versatile and can be adapted to fit various contexts, making it a valuable addition to your English vocabulary. Taking home the gold is more than just a phrase about winning. It's about striving for the best, overcoming challenges, and ultimately achieving the highest honor. Whether in sports, personal goals, or professional achievements, using this expression adds a sense of grandeur and success. We hope this video has enlightened you on the richness of English expressions and that you feel more confident using taking home the gold in your conversations. Thank you for joining us, and remember, every day is an opportunity to take home your gold.